What's up, beautiful people? This is Khurram from My Gadgets World and hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I'll be installing some carbon fiber mirror covers on my Tesla Model Y long range. And as you know, the long range does not come with the rear spoiler. So I actually did the install and I'll put the link in the description for you guys so you can check this out. This is from the EVBase. And you can see that I have actually taken my car for a couple of washes at the the automatic car wash, and it has been intact with the condition that you can see. It's just like the brand new that it came from EVBase. So I'll highly recommend that. To just match the carbon fiber rear spoiler, I'm gonna be adding today the side mirror covers that are the same materials and matching the real carbon fiber. So one is for the right side and one is for the left side, and I'll be putting a little bit of the double side tape here inside. You can see, and all these grains that you see, they are actually the carbon fiber. So you can actually peel it if you want to. I'll just leave it as is the real carbon fiber material. So I'll just keep it like this. It's a little rough from the inside, but that's how it should be. And we'll be putting some double tape. I'll be just putting a little bit here inside. Not gonna be overkilling with the tape because it is actually a really good fit. Let me show you. So if you put it on the, I don't think so I even have to put the tape, but it actually adds that look for the car because the whole car is just the black color. And when you come in the back, it is gonna match this the rear spoiler, which is the same material and the same color. So this is how it's gonna look. Super easy. You just want a little tape on the inside. You don't want to put the tapes around it because then the edge is going to be lifted up. So that's how easy it is, and it is a perfect fit for Tesla Model Y. As you can see, it covers almost everything. Let's look at it from the other side. And you can see that it actually completely covers it. So yeah, this is pretty much like a really small video that I'm doing, just doing some carbon fiber upgrades. I'm gonna do with the interior as well, just waiting for the product to show up. Kind of looks cool. And this is the tape I'll be using. It's just a little subtle. Make sure that your surface is clean before you do any kind of install on your car. So that was it. Quick install, quick update, and let me know what you guys think. I'll put the link in the description for the shopping and also 15% discount code that will be available. And use my gadgets on the evbase.com if you're buying any Tesla Model Y or Model 3 accessories. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace out.